Curious about the best drinks to fight liver fat? But want to avoid common mistakes? I've carefully selected the best, scientifically proven drinks that can naturally boost your liver function. The first drink may not be as famous as some other herbal teas, but milk thistle tea is actually fantastic for your liver health. And if you haven't heard of it, here's why you should drink it. Milk thistle contains a powerful component called silymarin. Research, including studies and expert review of gastroenterology and hepatology, shows that silymarin has the power to protect and potentially repair liver cells. This is great news for anyone concerned about liver conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Additionally, silymarin can reduce inflammation and neutralize oxidative stress, leading to better liver function and improved overall liver health. Making milk thistle tea is as simple as making any other tea. Just steep the seeds or a tea bag in boiling water for about 15 minutes. Steeping it for this length of time ensures that you get all the tea benefits. If you're not using a tea bag, don't forget to strain the tea before you drink it. If you start your day with a cup of milk thistle tea, you'll see many benefits. Along with being a pick-me-up, this tea will support your liver, and a healthy liver is important to a healthy life. Turmeric tea's curcumin is excellent for liver support, targeting inflammation and reducing liver fat. But it doesn't stop there. Extensive studies, such as an article published in Complementary Therapies and Medicine, spotlight curcumin's positive impact on liver health. This research shows that curcumin, which is found in turmeric, helps improve liver function in a couple of ways. First, it significantly reduces liver enzymes, such as ALT and AST, indicators that are often elevated in liver disease. It also improves metabolic health by reducing cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol, and fasting blood sugar levels, all important for managing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This means curcumin is great for easing liver inflammation and enhancing metabolic health, beneficial for those with NAFLD. Preparing turmeric tea is quite simple. Just stir some turmeric powder into hot water. Adding a bit of black pepper can boost the taste and help your body absorb curcumin better. If you like a little zest, squeeze in some lemon. It enhances the flavor and aids in detoxification. Here's a way you can support your liver and add some exciting color to your meals. Grab a few beets the next time you're at the grocery store. Beets are packed with nitrates and antioxidants that boost blood flow and liver function. Studies have shown that beetroot's natural compounds greatly enhance liver detoxification and reduce inflammation. But there's more. Research published in the Current Research in Nutrition and Food Science Journal highlighted beetroot's ability to protect the liver from oxidative stress, which can damage the liver. It also significantly improves liver enzyme levels and lipid profiles in patients with NAFLD. Preparing beetroot juice is simple. First, peel the beets and blend them with a little water. Adding a carrot or an apple can give it a little sweetness and soften the earthy taste of the beets. Thanks to its properties that enhance blood flow, beet juice is an excellent choice, not just for liver health, but also as a pre-workout drink or a midday refreshment to re-energize and detoxify your body. Ever wondered why green tea comes up so often when talking about health? You may have heard it's great for your heart and helps you lose weight, but green tea is also good for your liver. Did you know that green tea can help reset your liver enzymes? Whether you need to detoxify after a season of indulgence or just want to maintain healthy liver function, green tea should be your drink of choice. It has been proven to aid in regulating enzyme levels and speed up the recovery of liver cells. A study highlighted in the International Journal of Molecular Medicine found that people who drank green tea had better liver enzyme profiles than those who didn't. And while you might have heard that green tea is great for reducing liver fat, you might not know of its ability to improve the early stages of liver scarring, also known as liver fibrosis. Drinking green tea daily can help keep your liver strong and healthy as you age. Add yumminess to your green tea with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a dash of honey. Besides flavor, cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar, and honey is a natural antimicrobial that might boost your immune response. But let's not overlook the simplest yet vital choice: lemon water. Why is something as simple as lemon water so beneficial? Well, lemons are loaded with vitamin C. This vitamin is essential for your overall health. It has powerful antioxidant properties which help fight free radicals that can damage your cells and liver. Plus, lemons are naturally acidic. Their acidity encourages the liver to produce more bile, which is another way your body gets rid of toxins. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water is like giving your body a jump start. It's hydrating, refreshing, and gets those digestive juices flowing. To make lemon water, just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm or room temperature water. It's that easy. What's more, drinking lemon water throughout the day can boost your energy levels and enhance skin health. It's a simple routine that can support good health. Interestingly, studies have shown that people who maintain a higher intake of vitamin C have better protection against inflammatory liver conditions. This isn't just a rumor. It's backed by science and research. For example, there was a study published in Frontier in Nutrition which highlighted how vitamin C intake affects liver health positively. But there's more to understand about how your body works. Next, we're diving into a common yet often misunderstood issue. Why do your ankles and feet swell up? Understanding this can be crucial for your health. Click on this video to uncover the truth behind this discomfort and learn how you can feel better today.